Now, in the case of women who are pregnant, it is not only the provisions of the Industrial Disputes Act that can be relied on, but also reliance can be placed on the provisions of the Maternity Benefits Act, which is also applicable to the IT industry, and also the International Labour Organization ILO Convention number 183, which is the convention concerning the revision of the Maternity Protection Convention. This is a convention of the year 2000, and as per Article 8 of this convention, it shall be unlawful for an employer to terminate the employment of a woman during her pregnancy. So Article 8 of Convention number 183 is very clear that no employer should terminate a pregnant employee during the subsistence of her pregnancy. Apart from this, Section 11 of the Indian Maternity Benefits Act provides that a pregnant woman would be entitled to the maternity benefits to be granted by the employer even if she is discharged from service during the pregnancy. So the spirit of Section 11 of the Maternity Benefits Act is that a woman who is pregnant should not be terminated from service, else because she would lose her maternity benefits, and that is why Section 11 provides that even if she is terminated from service, she would be entitled to the maternity benefits.